Lord Cybertruck presents. Hi and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be looking at this new update in addition to the last bug fix that they added in game. First off, this is a new prison map, very different. This is my second time being inside of it, so I've already been inside of it once. This is definitely odd, I've not been up here before. And right there is a hole in the fence. This prison could definitely be used for lots of interesting maps. Whether it be prison escapes or I don't know. And here are the cells I would imagine that they would be. Let's go inside with one. This is the cafeteria. Oh, this is the cafeteria. Oh, that's interesting. All I had to do was just walk into the doors to open them. That's definitely interesting. This map has two ways out. I'll get to new vehicles from the bug fix update in a minute. That's the fitness area where they lift weights, deadlift, and of course basketball. I'm going to drive around this map. You know what, when people say, "Hey, I'm pro," they usually are not. That's the funny thing about that. This is probably in the rural area in probably a poor county, if I had to guess, based off of the looks of these buildings. That building we just passed looks a lot like a diner, but without the word diner on it. Lots of trailer park homes, or trailer homes, I guess. There's not a trailer park here, and that's a pump station, but since I'm in a Cybertruck, I don't need to go to it. Maybe. It's over there, I guess I can. This is an underground, well, sort of tunnel. Another pump station. What could be over here? That's different. Oh wow, look at that. It's some kind of tunnel. That's interesting. Let's take a look at the tunnel. I have not been here, so this is a genuine reaction. If I had to guess, this tunnel leads from the prison to out here. And I'll go the other way too, just to see what it looks like. That's interesting. It's weird how perfectly square that hole is. You know, this reminds me of how El Chapo escaped from prison. His I guess minions like dug a tunnel like a mile away from this fake house built to the prison, but they couldn't use jackhammers or dynamite because they would have been heard, and they removed El Chapo. So they had 3 months to use pickaxes to get him out of there, and they had this elaborate like minecart rail system to get him out of there quickly. Oh, we see what's over there in addition to this tunnel. Oh no! Oh. That's weird, what's that? Oh, it's a river. Or a lake, I guess. That's the tunnel that was dug over there. This would make for an interesting racing course, like out in the desert or something like that. And this is another lake, I guess. That's the board, map board right there. Oof. I'm pretty sure this is the entire map, though I'm not certain. I think it is actually, because I remember being over here. I don't know if all the buildings are the same or not, so I guess I'll check for them. Then I'll show you, the viewers, the new props. I were adding new vehicles from the bug fix update like a few days ago. Actually, I can start here. I'm guessing this will be another cafeteria. Oh, well, there's cells here. This could definitely become an interesting video. I don't know who that person is. They change their name so often I can't keep it. Can't keep track of their whatever. That's pretty much the whole prison, I think. Pretty sure there's nothing else in here. Oh, I haven't gotten those yet. What could this be? Oh, that's right, we already went inside there. We did not go inside here yet. What is that yellow thing over there? I don't know. Maybe some kind of electrical room? You know what this prison reminds me of a little bit? The Escapist. The Escapist is a pixelated prison escape simulator. The sequel wasn't great, but the first one was good. Yeah, I'm guessing it's like an electrical room or something. Maybe there's an electric fence and it's just to shut off the electric fence. And these are more cells which I have yet to look at. So, I guess they're all the same, okay. They're all the same, just, well, I guess that makes sense. Except these don't have cell doors, which is odd. Alright, that's pretty much the whole prison, so now I'm going to show the viewers the new stuff they added. First off, they updated the city pack to have power lines. Oh, cool, they added ones like these, and the turns, that's probably a fake one. They added road signs in addition to construction signs and speed limit signs and whatnot. Give away, what does that mean? It's probably meant to be yield. That's do not enter. There's this road closed, construction zone, road work ahead, various speed limit signs in kilometers. It's just very slow. And a stop sign, of course, and a manhole cover. Who in the world is that? It can't be the real one, I don't think. And then they also had an environment pack, which is just trees from various seasons like winter, spring, summer, fall, and dead trees. And I think they removed trees from the other packs that had them, like this one here. Huh. That's weird. Look at that. This is the one from Apocalypse Pack, and this is the one from Environment Pack. Oh, they're ever so slightly different. That's interesting. I see. I guess that gives more of a to choose from here. They look awfully similar to me. It's very weird. And stumps. And let's go to an open area, like I guess. You know, we could go outside. That's what we could do. I will demonstrate the abilities of these new aircrafts and what they look like. Once again, this prison I'll demonstrate the abilities of the aircrafts. They both cost gems, which is, for people who don't have gems, it's ridiculous. For me, I have plenty of gems, so it's fine. Actually, let's move a little bit farther because I would crash into that lamppost. Okay, so here is I guess a military trainer aircraft. I don't know. It costs 75 gems. It's not bad. It's just not great. This way I can see what the whole map looks like from above. Yeah, that guy's fake. Though I am a great builder, which is true. And now I'll demonstrate the abilities of the red biplane that costs 100 gems. Yeah, you got that right. This is the new 100 gem airplane. Now the weird thing is, it has jet exhaust coming out the back. That's just weird to me. It costs 100 gems, but it's kind of nice. It's a nice biplane. I don't know why it says arena on it, but it just does. I had a nice prison map, except that disappeared a few updates ago when they removed all the maps like accident. It's so annoying. Of course I have it. If I didn't, I would not be real. Or unless they removed it again. Several maps of mine disappeared like that. So annoying. Oh. I've lost so many good maps that way. Such as a good prison map I made. I only made one video of it. I was going to make another, but oh well. Let's roleplay. I wonder where this tunnel goes. That's weird. It goes here. Where does the ever hole go? I have a suspicion. This guy's clearly a fake, right? But what if he's the guy who's been copying my name lately and doing stuff they should not have been doing? And they're going to get my house so that they can try and prove people there's a real Lord Cybertruck when they're actually not. It could be the case. Here it is. That's a hole in the fence. Maybe there's another tunnel I didn't know about. We'll have to see. I mean, it could actually be connected. Oh, okay. Well, in that case, that's pretty much the update. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh, by the way, the environment pack in this was free, and I believe the city pack, stuff that they added was free, but I have the premium city pack as well. So I have no idea. But this is free. Let's see here. Not that. This and this are the new planes. I now have every plane except for the ones in the case, and I have every helicopter except for that one immortal military one, which is ridiculous. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.